Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to reset network settings in your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. Okay guys, here in settings, scroll down and go to System Management. In System Management, okay, go to Backup and Reset. And okay guys, here in Backup and Reset, you can see the Reset Network Settings. And okay guys, you'll have to do stop this. And okay, this operation will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data network, and Bluetooth. And okay guys, so you can select the SIM card. So you can select the SIM 1 or SIM 2. And okay, so I select the SIM 1. And after that, okay, tap the reset settings to continue. And okay guys, another reset all network settings. This operation cannot be undone. Okay, tap the reset settings button below. And okay guys, please wait. Network settings has been reset. And that's it, okay? We have successfully reset the network settings on your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.